Number 1. 1997 Dodge Dakota, price $5,900, with a 5.2L, 318 V8 engine and a 5-speed manual transmission with 4x4 capability. The vehicle has traveled 138,000 miles and runs on gasoline. It features a brown exterior paired with a gray interior. The truck is ready to drive, starts easily, runs smoothly, produces no smoke, and has a solid clutch feel. The truck benefits from several recent upgrades and replacements, including a new oil pan, spark plugs, rotor and cap, front brake pads, rear Monroe shocks, and ignition coil. It also has a newer muffler and tailpipe, while the rear brake pads remain in good condition and properly adjusted. Structurally, the frame behind the cab has been professionally repaired with newly welded metal and treated with KBS and surface shield coatings, ensuring durability. Overall, the frame, body, paint, and rocker panels are all in good condition. Number 2. 1995 Chevrolet 2500, price $8,250, that has covered 177,000 miles and is equipped with an automatic transmission. It features a clean white exterior combined with a gray interior, giving it a classic and practical look. Under the hood, it is powered by a reliable Vortec 5.7 engine paired with a 4L60 transmission, making it a solid light-duty truck suitable for everyday driving as well as light work tasks. The truck comes with a 6.5-foot bed, providing ample space for hauling, and is equipped with a 4x4 system for added capability in various road and weather conditions. It is described as rust-free, indicating well-maintained body condition, and sits on newer tires that contribute to better performance and safety. Overall, the vehicle runs and drives great. Number 3. 1998 Chevrolet 1500, price $5,800. It has been driven 190,000 miles and features a classic red exterior combined with a clean gray interior. It is designed with an extended cab configuration that includes a third rear door for easier access, along with comfortable bucket seats and a center console that enhances both driving comfort and interior practicality. Equipped with a powerful 5.7L Vortec V8 engine paired with a smooth automatic transmission and a convenient push-button 4x4 system, making it capable both on and off the road. In terms of features, it comes with fully functional power windows and power locks, a heating system that works properly, and an air conditioning system that is operational but may require a recharge to perform at its best. Overall, the vehicle runs and drives great, with all components functioning as they should, reflecting consistent care from its previous owner. It has also recently passed emissions testing, which adds confidence in its current condition, although it will need a replacement for the downstream O2 sensor in the near future. This truck offers a dependable driving experience with a strong engine, useful 4x4 capability. Number 4. 1990 Dodge D150, price $10,000, is a well-maintained classic pickup that still performs reliably. With 184,000 miles on the odometer, it comes with an automatic transmission that ensures a smooth and effortless driving experience. The truck stands out with its red exterior and matching red interior, creating a cohesive and eye-catching look. Running on gasoline, it starts easily and drives without any problems, although it may require a bit of minor work to reach its full potential. Overall, it presents a solid opportunity for anyone looking for a dependable vehicle or a project truck with character. Number 5. 2001 Chevrolet 1500, price $10,000, single cab pickup with a red exterior and tan interior, powered by a gasoline 5.3L V8 engine paired with a 4-speed automatic 4L60E transmission and two-wheel drive. It has been driven around 380,000 miles and was recently repainted, giving it a refreshed look. Originally a 4.8L, it now uses a 5.3L engine and transmission from a 2005 Chevrolet Suburban with about 150,000 miles. The truck also features a 2500 HD front-end conversion, Z71 Tahoe valence, electric fans, and a redone headliner. It currently has a check engine light due to a knock sensor issue, and the fuel gauge occasionally does not work. Number 6. 2001 Toyota Tacoma, price $5,500, powered by a 2.4L gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission. With 179,000 miles on the odometer, it continues to run and drive well. The vehicle features a burgundy exterior complemented by a tan interior, giving it a classic and appealing look that still feels comfortable and inviting. It is equipped with air conditioning that blows cold and a heating system that works properly. In addition, the truck comes with a quality sound system that enhances in-cabin entertainment during daily commutes or longer trips. Overall, this Tacoma offers a balanced combination of reliability, comfort, and practicality, making it suitable for everyday use, light-duty work, or as a versatile utility vehicle, and it also comes with a clean title.
Number 7.
1983 Ford F100, price $8,500, is a well-kept vintage truck with around 100,000 miles, powered by a V6 3.8L engine, 2WD, and automatic transmission. It features a blue exterior and matching blue interior, along with factory air conditioning. As a key feature, it offers a smooth automatic drive, reliable gasoline engine, and a refreshed, comfortable interior, making it great for cruising. The truck has been updated with new interior components, a retro Bluetooth radio, LED lighting, and new mirrors. It runs well and also comes with many new parts ready for installation, including engine components, gaskets, mounts, and additional accessories like a bed liner kit.
Number 8.
1990 Chevrolet 1500, price $9,000. It has been driven approximately 195,000 miles and features an automatic transmission. It comes in a burgundy exterior with a matching burgundy interior and runs on gasoline. The truck is equipped with a rebuilt 350 TBI engine that includes a performance camshaft and headers connected to a true dual exhaust system with a dual-in, dual-out muffler. It also has a rebuilt 700R4 transmission paired with a small stall converter and a shift kit, making it a strong and capable runner. This truck has undergone extensive mechanical updates, with most components under the hood either replaced or refurbished. While it is currently used as a daily driver, it may require tuning to optimize the camshaft performance,
as it can occasionally load up at low RPM. However, it performs very well once on the road. The vehicle averages around 11 miles per gallon.
Additional updates include a new gas tank, lights, bumpers, and grille, along with a convenient roll-up bed cover. The frame and cab mounts are in excellent condition, though the body would benefit from some repair work and a fresh paint job.
Number 9.
1986 Ford F150, price $3,950, powered by a 351 V8 5.8L engine paired with an automatic transmission. It has been driven approximately 140,000 miles and stands out with a bold red exterior and matching red interior, giving it a distinctive and cohesive look. The truck features several upgrades that enhance both performance and style, including a Weiand aluminum intake manifold and an Edelbrock 600 CFM carburetor. It rides on NASCAR-style 15x10 rims fitted with slick tires, adding to its aggressive appearance. Inside, the vehicle has been refreshed with new door panels and a new dash panel. Structurally, the truck is in solid shape, with a clean frame, clean bed, and clean bed floor.
The cab is mostly clean, aside from a very small hole on the driver's side floor.
It also includes rear panel patches for the bedwells, and the stock radio remains in good working order.
Number 10.
1985 Dodge D150, price $5,200, showing 999,000 miles on the odometer. It features a manual transmission and is powered by the reliable slant 6 engine paired with a 4-speed gearbox. The truck comes in a beige exterior with a matching beige interior, giving it a consistent and vintage look. Running on gasoline, the vehicle is equipped with a newly installed carburetor, and it is reported to run well and drive smoothly on the road. While there is some rust present, it is described as not too severe. The heating system works properly, although the truck does not come with air conditioning. Overall, its key features include a high-mileage yet functional drivetrain, a classic manual setup, and a well-maintained running condition despite its age.